Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in Solidworks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in Solidworks. Hi, today I am going to explain about creating a component using swept surface, trim surface, and thicken command in surface module. So left side you can see the surface created, and this is the component with thickness, and right side you can see the flat pattern. So this is the component I am going to create. In surface module. So let's start now. So I have taken a new Soldworks part file. Select the right plane, go to sketch, draw 3 lines. This is 120, angle also 120, and this is 30, this is 40. So sketch is fully constrained now. Come out of the sketch, see here. Next, select the front plane. See, the origin is at this location. Since I have started from the origin, so the front plane is exactly at this point. Select this front plane, go to sketch, draw 3-point arc. So radius is 60, and draw one center line joining these 2 points. Select this line, make it horizontal, and draw one more line touching the center of this line and center of the arc. Make it vertical. So now it is symmetric. So this is 4. Now select this point and this origin and make it coincide. See, the sketch is constrained now. Come out of the sketch. So we have 2 sketches. One is for profile and the other one is for path. So go to surface module, swept surface, select this profile and this path. The surface has been created now. See, one thing I forgot to add in the sketch is fillets. So select these 2 points. So this is 10 mm radius. See here. Now keep it in isometric. See, this is how it looks like. Now select the top plane, go to sketch. Here select this edge and convert entity. Draw a line at this edge and select this line, select the midpoint and select this origin, make it vertical so it becomes symmetric. So draw two straight lines. And draw one center line joining this origin and this midpoint. So this is to maintain the symmetry. So select these three lines. Apply symmetry and say OK. Now draw one line joining this endpoint and this and this. Select these two lines and make it equal. So the angle between these two lines is 172. Now we have to apply the fillets. So this is 10 mm radius. Say OK. So once again apply the fillets at this points. See, this is 50. This is also 50 and say OK. See, I am going to keep it in shaded form. See here. Now this value is 37.5. So the sketch is fully constrained now. Come out of the sketch, keep it in shaded form. See here. Now select the surfaces. Here we have to select trim surface. Here we have to select the standard type, trim tool using sketch. Okay, now keep selection. So which surface you want to keep? Select this one. So the magenta color is the surface which I wanted. So rest of the two surfaces are going to remove. See here. So I'll keep it in top view. See, it is exactly cutting according to the sketch. And say OK. It is similar to split surface. So now see, here also we need to add fillets at this location. So it should be 10 mm. See here. Now I am going to add thickness to this surface. So here I am going to take 1 mm. So we can use either sides based on our requirement. For time being I am taking thicken both sides. See, so 0.5 mm is going to add in this direction and 0.5 mm the other side. So if I want to add only one side, I can add it, or the other side here I am taking both sides. See, this component is ready. See, now I am going to create this flat pattern. So for flat pattern we need a surface. So I am going to select these surfaces with control, select offset and make it 0 and say OK. If you want high precision, you can offset of 0.5, which exactly at this location of the center of this line. So here I am taking offset of 0 mm. Now I am going to hide this body. See here. Now select the surface flatten. So we have to select all the faces wherever I am going to make the flat pattern, and select here, click on this and select any vertex. See here. So you can see here there is a flat pattern created based on the meshing of this component. See. So this flat pattern is nothing but blank size of this component. See, I am going to hide this. So we can make two configuration. See here, two configurations. So here I am showing this solid component and the other two surfaces are hidden, and in another configuration the flat pattern is shown here and these components are hidden. So we can make two configurations and create the blank size or flat pattern. And also we can change the material as per requirement. We can go to the edit material. We can select any material like SS304 MS, so based on the requirement. So this is the final component. So here I have used three major commands like swept surface, trim surface and thicken command for creating this component. Thanks for watching.